Wallahi, there's only one person in the whole world. There's only one person in the whole world that will happily throw their life in front of yours to protect you. Only one. You know who it is? It's the person you sold for your friend's Habibi. She's called your mom. It's my old lady. Leave her, man. She doesn't know the go. She doesn't know the go. Wallahi, she knows the go better than you know the go. She knows what's good for you better than you know what's good for you. We sold our family. We sold our mothers and our fathers. We've sold the masjid. We've sold the people that genuinely fear Allah in good company. For what? What did we give it up for? For rubbish and filth. And we all think, what? These people, trust me brother, these people, we care for one another.